What does full glass coverage include? Have you ever wondered what full glass coverage really means for your auto insurance? Let's break it down so you can understand exactly what this coverage entails. Full glass coverage is a specific type of protection included in some auto insurance policies. It covers the repair or replacement of your vehicle's glass components, such as windshields, side windows, rear windows, and sometimes sunroofs. The best part: you do not have to pay a deductible when you use this coverage. To put it in perspective, standard glass coverage is usually part of the comprehensive section of your auto insurance policy. Comprehensive coverage protects your vehicle from non-collision incidents like theft or damage from falling objects. However, if you file a claim for glass damage under standard comprehensive coverage, you typically have to pay a deductible first. This means you will have some out-of-pocket expenses before your insurance kicks in. Full glass coverage, on the other hand, is an optional add-on to your policy. When you have this coverage, any glass repairs or replacements can be done without any deductible. So, if your windshield gets cracked, chipped, or shattered, or if any other glass part of your vehicle is damaged, you can get it fixed or replaced at no cost to you, as long as the damage is covered by your policy. It is important to note that full glass coverage is not automatically included in every auto insurance policy. You need to specifically request or add it to your policy. You can add or remove this coverage at any time based on your needs. Many insurance companies partner with glass repair shops to make the repair process easier for you. This coverage is especially beneficial for drivers with high deductibles on their comprehensive coverage, those who own vehicles with expensive glass, or people who often drive in areas where road debris or vandalism is common. It provides peace of mind by eliminating the need to pay a deductible for glass-related claims. If you notice glass damage on your vehicle, the first step is to contact your insurance agent or company. They can help you confirm if you have full glass coverage and guide you through the claims process. Some types of glass damage, like a small chip, might not need immediate attention. However, larger cracks can compromise safety and should be addressed quickly. When comparing auto insurance coverage levels, it is essential to check if full glass coverage is included or available as an add-on. This knowledge helps you make informed decisions about your policy and ensures you have the right protection for your vehicle. Always review your policy documents or speak with your insurance agent to confirm your coverage details.